Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Snapchat, confirm the app is updated and permissions are on, then frame vertically for a 9:16 capture. Record with steady light and clear audio. Keep clips short so viewers stay. Once done, tap the send arrow, select Spotlight as the destination, and write a punchy hook. That first line decides whether people swipe. Make sure the snap is set to public. Choose a clear cover image so viewers understand the content at a glance. Now focus on polishing. Trim the start and end, stabilize shaky frames, and adjust speed where needed so pacing feels dynamic. You should add captions and timed text for accessibility and to hook people who watch muted. Place a clear call to action in the final seconds. Use a trending sound or an original clip that matches the mood, and make sure your first 3 seconds deliver the main idea. That keeps retention high, which matters when Snapchat ranks Spotlight. Finish by submitting to Spotlight and watching early analytics. The first hour predicts momentum. If engagement is low, immediately try a new cover, tweak the opening seconds, or resubmit an edited version. Small changes can flip performance. Make sure you engage comments and iterate quickly. If Snapchat rejects it, don't panic. Check that your file format, bitrate, and duration meet requirements, and confirm no policy issues exist. Fix the flagged element and upload again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.